So here we are at Leonardtown Middle School car show Friday during the day, 11:30 to 1, I think. We'll take a closer look at these things when some more cars are here. Car show, Leonardtown Middle School, Friday. Pretty good turnout. Let's get to the end of here and take a couple videos. We got Dana's motorcycle here. It's pretty nice. How you doing? Later model Camaro. Corvette. 15,000 original. '03 Mach 1. That's an air ride action going on here. Dragster. Model A, Roadster. 57 Chevy. Hardtop. Nice. Dodge Challenger. From the other side, less shadows. Really nice. Pearl. I don't know if it shows up on the camera. There's the Chevy truck. Slam. Corvette 66. '70 GTO. How about a GTR Skyline, right-hand drive? Nice. Really nice. Folks still registering? It's Leonardtown Middle School. Leonardtown there. Get over at Jeep Club. On this one. Nice. Hi, how you doing today? Let's go over here and maybe get some more. Catch the other rows in a few moments. Want to go fast? Get rid of unnecessary weight.
You gotta start someplace, I guess.
Yeah, go fast, get rid of unnecessary weight. Henry J, that's nice. This one has an LS in it. C6, I think, Corvette. Convertible, nice.
But she was fine. She was, take care.
NGA.
Number, according to what year you
Chevy here. Nice car. Superstock Beach. This was a competitive race car back in the day. Looks like it's still with the program. Chevy truck. Not sure here it is. I'm not up on these exactly. There. That's pretty nice. Let's go collect these other ones. Hopefully come back for this second row. We've seen this one before. Bandit Trans Am. Beautiful 70 Chevelle. I think it's House of Color Gold on this one. Not sure. Camera doesn't do it justice. 66 or 7. It's got 427 in it. 2 4s. Nice. Cobra. 347. Fuel injector. Setup. 66 Chevelle. This thing is straight and beautiful. Small block, nice detail. This square body. Short wide box. Beautiful car. Or truck rather. Folks are still registering. Let's go get the next rows. Anybody El Camino here? LS swap, that's nice. Buick, straight 8. 30s, I think. Maybe a Corvette. Very nice. Small block, 27. Heavy duty old Chevy truck, that's nice. Looks like a 68 Camaro, 67 or 68. Transmissions are exhaust done. What those guys are called. Lights Nova. 6-cylinder stick shift. Nice. 55 Chevy. 2-door hardtop. Pretty nice. '66 Chevelle. Seen this car before. It's super nice. Big block. Look at that detail on that. MG. It's a TF. MG TF. Beautiful. Corvette, 90s, early 90s, mid 90s. And 70 Judge, Pontiac GTO Judge. Really nice. It's Fred's GS 350. 67 Charger. These are neat. '66. '70 Nova. Show right in the middle of the day. It's about it's 11:30 to 1. Had a pretty nice turnout. Nice day today. Nice weather. Satellite, early 70s. Spread 69, Green Sport 350 Buick. Nice. Honda's Cobra. This thing is really nice. Small block Ford in it. Satellite Sebring Plus. Here's the stand. 73. Pretty nice. Let's get the other side right here. There's county sheriffs are here. This shows you how many cars are here. Had a really nice turnout today. So here we have a 32 Ford Vicky. This is a really nice car. Do the flame job on that. That is really, really nice. Here we have a Mustang convertible. This is a 65 or 66, I think. A nice car. And over here we have a 68 Mustang. This one's a convertible as well. Very nice. 69 Camaro. 502.